honest, most people don't fail on YouTube because they lack ideas. They fail because they run out of time. They get buried under scripts, editing, thumbnails, SEO, uploads, and before they know it, they quit. Not good. Very bad. The smart creators, they're changing the game. They're putting AI to work instead of working for AI. That's exactly what Faceless Forge AI does. You own the AI agent. No endless subscriptions, no complicated tech. It researches, writes, creates, optimizes, and publishes faceless YouTube videos while you focus on building a real digital business. Tremendous. It's automation the way it should be. If you're ready to work smarter, not harder, visit theproductoasis.com and search for Faceless Forge AI, or simply follow the link in the description below. And don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe to the channel for more honest AI reviews and digital marketing insights.